Welcome to Jason's Design Shop. Today we're looking at the Dust Router by Milescraft product. And boy, I bought it because of that boot right there to catch the massive amounts of dust I was getting in my shop. So that little boot mounts up under the acrylic, and it comes with a adhesive tape and a Velcro male-female connection there, and it holds the boot dead center. So drop that in, and it also comes with these vacuum tube. The main line hooks up to that center part, and it splits the vacuum half down below to the boot, slides right on, and the other half to your fence. So let's pull this up and give it a test. Hey, if this is cool, give me a thumbs up, my friends. And yeah, run this 4x4 through. Worked pretty good. Hardly any dust on the top, as to be expected, but the bottom had just a little bit. So I do recommend this product for small shops. I think it's great. I'm loving it. So if you want to find it in the description below, you can order it from my Amazon shop. Hey guys, subscribe. Later.